हाय फ्रेंड, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत थर्मोडायनॅमिक्स अँड द फ्यू टर्म्स यूज इन द थर्मोडायनॅमिक्स अँड इट्स डेफिनेशन. व्हॉट इज थर्मोडायनॅमिक्स? Thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. The motion of it. The definition of thermodynamics: the thermodynamics is the branch of science which deals with the study of the interconversion of the different form of the energy and their quantitative relationship between them take place in the physical and the chemical process. Thermodynamics means the interconversion. The heat can be transferred from one form into the another form, and there the interconversion of heat means motion of heat. The second term used in thermodynamic system. The system is the any specific portion of matter under the study which is separated from the rest of the universe with the bonding surface. The any specific portion of matter means system. For example, pen, pencil, which can be separated with the surrounding with its bonding surface. And the third is the surrounding. Surrounding means the surrounding is that the remaining portion of the universe other than system. Means suppose that the pen is the system and the remaining portion of the remaining portion of pen is the surrounding boundary. The anything which can be separated from the system and the surrounding means boundary. It is may be real or imaginary. The boundary may contain the conductor of it or non-conductor of it. The fifth is types of system. There are the three types of system: open system, closed system and isolated system. First is open system. The definition of open system is that the system which can exchange the matter as well as energy with the surrounding is open system. जी सिस्टीम त्याच्यामधलं मॅटर अँड द एनर्जी सराउंडिंग सोबत एक्सचेंज करत असेल, दिस सिस्टीम इज कॉल्ड ओपन सिस्टीम. Closed system is that the system which can exchange only the energy and not matter with the surrounding is called closed system. This system surrounding सोबत फक्त एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर करत असेल, एक्सचेंज करत असेल and not the matter is called closed system. And the isolated system, the system is that which can neither be exchange energy and nor matter is called isolated system. This system द एनर्जी पण ट्रान्सफर करत नाही आणि मॅटर पण ट्रान्सफर करत नाही सराउंडिंग, त्याला आयसोलेटेड सिस्टीम असं म्हणतात. द सिक्स इज होमोजिनियस सिस्टीम. होमोजिनियस सिस्टीम कशाला म्हणू आपण? दे युनिफॉर्म आहे, मीन्स इट कंटेन द ओनली वन फेज. मीन्स प्युअर सॉलिड, फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्युअर सॉलिड और प्युअर लिक्विड, इट कंटेन ओनली वन फेज. अँड द हेट्रोजिनियस सिस्टीम इट कंटेन non uniform phase, means it contain two or more phase, means the mixture of the two solvent. Next, the extensive property means it is the defined the properties of the system with the magnitude is depend upon the amount of matter present in the system. Means the, for example, mass, volume, it is the magnitude of that system is depend upon the त्याच्यामध्ये जेवढं मॅटर प्रेझेंट आहे त्याच्यावर त्या मॅटरची मॅग्निट्यूड डिपेंड राहते. मीन्स द अमाऊंट ऑफ मॅटर प्रेझेंट इन द सिस्टीम विच कॅन डिपेंड द मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ दॅट सिस्टीम मीन्स द एक्सटेन्सिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी. अँड द इंटेन्सिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी इज रिव्हर्स, मीन्स द सिस्टीम विच intensive property means definition. The properties of the system with the magnitudes is independent on the amount of matter present in that system. Means temperature, boiling point, freezing point, temperature, it's independent on the amount of matter present in that system. This is the few terms they use in thermodynamics. Thank you.